DeepSeek API is back. Yes, guys. So we all know what happened. We all know, that hackers, went into, DeepSeek API, and there was rumors that, it's some countries that was behind that, but of course that is behind us and that is in the past. Now DeepSeek API is back. How do you get that? If you click on API platforms here, it brings you to this window. Previously, when you click on that, they tell you that you can no longer use API. I mean, they're working on it and all of that. But as you can see up here, it says, due to current server resource constraints, we have temporarily suspended API service recharges to prevent any potential impact on your operations. Existing balances can still be used for calls. We appreciate your understanding. All right, so that message is there. But then when you click on API keys here, you can come here and create your API. All right, so for example, I can say testing. Okay, I can say testing, maybe just testing, testing, something like that, and then create API, and voila, I have my DeepSeek API back. Yeah, can use it for whatever I want. So let's copy this and close that. Now, if you come down to pricing, as you can see, we all know that DeepSeek has the cheapest pricing ever. So, for example, for 1 million tokens, you have this here, $1, $1.10, and for 5 million tokens, you have $2.19, which is cheap. So yeah, API, DeepSeek API is back. Go in and let's start creating, guys. Let's start creating. So let's go to the chat and let me ask DeepSeek a question. Is DeepSeek, let me say, is DeepSeek API, sorry, is DeepSeek API back or maybe working now? Let's watch and see. Watch and see. Watch and see. Hi, I'm DeepSeek V3, an API assistant currently developed by the Chinese company DeepSeek Inc. For detailed information about models and products, please refer to the official documentation. All right, so yeah, but then again, DeepSeek API is back, guys. Let's go start prompting and using the DeepSeek API. See you next time, and of course, don't forget to like the video, share and comment, and subscribe, and do whatever you want with it. See you next time. Bye-bye.